Once upon a time I welcomed you to 120-second reviews, where I share my unqualified opinions on random games in my library. Wolf Among Us was developed and published by Telltale Games episodically from 2013 to 2014. As every game by the publisher, it is an interactive story game in which you influence the outcome. The Fables, the fairy tale characters from the Grimm stories, live in New York in the 80s now. It is a rough life full of crime, prostitution, murder and black markets. Big B, formerly known as the Big Bad Wolf, now in human form, has to solve a murder. The game has a comic look with stylish cel shading and neo-noir lighting. The gameplay is not the most interesting part. You click stuff, choose dialogue and get into quick-time event fights. This is Telltale's best game. If you only ever experience one of their stories, make it this one. I give it a 9 out of 10. The main criticism would be the incohesive conclusion. The ending does not make a lot of sense, and a lot of fans fought over the different interpretations, but the answer seems to be trouble in the development. Buy it for less than 5 quids.